So I am search the VCR website for you. This is for VCR website and click here. This is what this is the printer and please what I'm search the driver for you or the heat stamp for again this here the printer. Okay, this here the printer for the uh Canon. This here the three system operation for support. This here for for Linux, for Mac, and for the Windows. The video I am select one by one. For I am first for Linux. This here is like operating system. Click here. This here operating system for Linux. And if you need click here, you select here and you click this here the driver for I am recommendation for you download a driver package. Here this this driver much include support for the printer. This here for the Mac driver. If you need you look in the version, you click here. This here the version Windows new Mac 12 and Mac 11 driver. This is the new Mac and this is the old Mac and support for the Mac 8 for the driver. You're looking here. This here the release update for the driver and now I'm testing for the Windows. Click the Windows. This video I am need to download driver Windows 11 and you select operating system. You click here. This here the operating system for the Windows 11 and Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Server, and Windows Vista. Not support driver for Windows 11 for Windows XP. And this here the for the Windows 11, you click here. I need to download for the Windows 11 and click here and please wait website loading. I am like the printer for Canon. The printer for Canon the support the laptop version. This is the support for the Windows 11 and this first print for the Windows 11 for the Windows. This here for Windows 11 and you looking that release here. This here for that release and this driver recommended for you. The driver Surya full driver and software package this for the Windows. This here I have recommendation for you. You download here. If you need to download a driver and scan only, not application more for support the printer. This here you scroll on. This here the full driver and scanner functionality. This here functionality for the Windows. Windows not much include driver support. This here for driver for the Windows 11 and driver support much system operation for the scanner and the printer. If you need download pre-security, you looking here. This here the pre-security. You click here, and this here the software for the easy photo print editor for the Windows. This here the support for Windows 11 maybe, and this here the print edge update for the Windows and This here the Wi-Fi only. Try for print Wi-Fi only. You looking print for the Wi-Fi only, not cable out. This printer spot and this here for the Windows 11. I am download here. This here I have recommendation for you. Download here. This driver package and easy install. You click here. This one website loading again. Is this here about the system driver and outline. This here the operating system for the request for the Windows and you click here and you download. This here the spot for the printer and your visual need tutorial for your install. You turn on the power printer. You put cable USB driver. You put cable S. You put your put cable USB for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB printer and you please white driver you download and you click run as driver automatic for the detect the